Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to put a screen in my wife's 2018 Ford Fusion. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take out these side pieces here. So how you do that is you open up the thing here and then just stick your fingers in there and then pop it out. There's one piece. Other piece here. That piece is out. Next thing you want to do is take out the 7mm bolts on both sides here. Alright, and then you gotta take the trim off around this. All you have to do is pry it up. Make sure you keep the cup holder and this thing all inside. Next thing is taking out this outer ring here. So first thing you want to do is take out anything you have in your vents and just kind of push out on it and pull it, and it just comes out of the two little clips here, and then you just have those clips all the way around. It should be fairly easy. Try not to break any of your tabs. And then I'm gonna go down to this one just because it's a big piece and the whole thing comes out. And the next thing you want to do is take out these two bolts down here. As you can see, those are probably another 7mm bolt. Alright, so next you want to pull out the, just basically this whole ring around here with all your air conditioning controls and stuff. So I'm just going to stick my hands in here and try to pull on it, because there's nothing else actually holding it in, just a little like clips and stuff. So I'm probably going to go from the bottom, get the two main pins out, and then there's another two pins up here on top. Alright, now that you have this out, over here you have your controls for your air conditioning. I'm not going to take these out. I'm going to take out the 4 screws up here. So those are also 7mm. Take out the screen here. You see this little yellow clip here, and that's the little prong there, and I just kind of tuck it in with my nail and then pull it out. Alright, now that this is unplugged here, it should be easier to undo the 3 screws that hold this whole like little mechanism thing here that plugs into the screen. Alright, now that we've taken out the 3 screws, you can take this off and then replace it with your new screen. Now that you have the 3 screws in, your new one, you gotta take your yellow plug here and plug it back in until it clicks and it's secure. Now you can just set your screen right back inside and put in your 7mm screws. Now you have to put the radio controls and the temperature controls back and pushed in. Now that you have it pushed in here, you want to take one of your 7mm screws and put it back in the 2 holes you have here. So next you have this trim piece that's going to go around here. You got to put that back in. It's all just clipped, so you just push on it, make sure it's all lined up, make sure you have all your clips. Okay, now that that's in, now you can take this piece here and just basically just set it in there and just kind of clap her down up. Gotta make sure you got nothing in the way, like screws, mask, wallets, all that jazz. And all that is set in place. Now you gotta take your 7mm screws and put that in as well. Now that your screws are in, all you need are these side pieces. As you can see, I am profusely sweating, like really bad. I don't know why. Next, you want to take your little piece here that goes on here. Gotta line it up nicely and just slap her in. Clips in just like that. Then you gotta take your other one. Find your little holes here. Smack her in. Make sure it's clipped in all the way, and then you can close your glove box.
That's not a glove box.
What is this called?
Armrest.
Oh, no, armrest, whatever.
That's a glove box.
Yeah. As you can see, all it takes is just some clips and basic knowledge. And we're gonna see if the screen works. As you can see, buttons work, climate works, your phone, it's already connected to your phone. So, cool beans, it's nice that works now. Alright, so we turned on the car. Sorry for the annoying dinging. So all you have to do is put it in reverse. And now you can see that. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. She's super happy with everything now in the car, now that she can actually see her screen and see her climate and temperature and everything, backup camera. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and like and subscribe for more.